I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
Today we're making some instant blackberry jam.
And with this jam, you can actually use it immediately. We encourage that.
Mm-hmm.
And so only do the amount that you're going to be using, or you can actually throw it in the freezer and it'll be ready when you need it next time. So,
So we're going to start with our Thrive blackberries, which is so easy. And what I'm going to do is, just to save some time, is I'm going to put it into the coffee grinder.
oh,
That's that. Okay, let's just finish it off.
okay.
Is that?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's perfect.
Oops. You can use that in your oatmeal too. Blackberries are awesome for that. Sorry, I'm making a bit of a mess. And I will just get this blended up into a powder.
And you can do this with any fruit. We're just using blackberries.
Ooh, blackberry smoke.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to dump this into the bowl.
That's perfect.
Let me take out these couple little chunks.
Sure. Now it actually has mushed up all the seeds too. You want the seeds. Seeds are actually really good. So we keep them in. Can't take them out anyways.
But you can, if you don't want the seeds, you can put that into a strainer and just sift it. Not strainer, a sifter.
Sifter.
And then you just sift out those seeds if you don't want the chunks.
And then I'm going to put a little bit of lime. This is the limeade that we have. And
I think that'll be tartish, but that's awesome.
all right. And then we're just going to be adding a little bit of water, and then the honey will be last. Of course, blackberries are pretty tart, so we want to add a sweetener, and we're going to use a natural, from the area, honey. Okay.
Local honey. And with this, from this state right now, with it being powdered, you can make a sauce. Just add a little extra water, and you can make a sauce for pancakes, or you could take this powder, add it to yogurt. There's really lots of things you could do with the powdered fruit.
Yeah, you can even actually just put a little bit on your oatmeal in the morning. That's super nice too. All right, so we're just going to be adding some water and mixing it as we go.
And it will refresh and thicken as you let it sit. But you make it to the consistency that you want. Look at that color. I love that.
Yeah, it's beautiful. All right, and then we're just going to add there we go. Oh, that's nice. Look at the color. Look at the smear. All right, so I'm just going to place it.
That smells good. You can add that, drizzle that to ice cream as well, which is really good.
That's amazing.
With oatmeal. Anyways, this is the blackberry instant jam.
And I think I need to try it.
I'm just gonna lick this.
Wow.
It's powerful flavor. Really good. I licked that, so I'll finish that off later. But this is how you can make it. It's really that easy. Take any fruit that you want. We did it with the blackberries, and there you go. You can
And
enjoy.
remember, you can do this too.